make your image sync like this. And let's watch the other one also. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your image sync like this and that. Okay, so I'm going to teach you a step by step. So I would like you to watch this video to the end, because by the end of this video, you're going to know how to create your image and then make the image sync with perfect lips match. Okay, so let's watch it a step by step on how to create it. Okay, so let's watch it a step by step. So this is how to do it. First thing to do is you go to ChatGPT for ChatGPT to give you the prompt to go and create the image. So we go to ChatGPT. Okay, so then we type, hi Chachi. Okay, it's very simple. Hi Chachi, give me prompt to create image holding a mic singing. Okay, this is what I type for Chachi. So Chachi gonna give me the prompt. Okay, so yes, this is the prompt Chachi has given it to me. Okay, so what I have to do is I will copy the prompt Chachi gave me. Okay, so I will copy it. Okay, so I will drag it and then copy my prompt. Okay, so I'm going to generate my image. So next thing is I will move to Google Gemini. Okay, so I'll search for Google Gemini. Okay, so Google Gemini going to create the image for me. Okay, so here is Google Gemini. Okay, so the next thing is come and click to buy here and then click on create image and then paste the prompt there. Okay, so I paste the prompt there and Google Gemini going to create the image for me. Okay, so I'll wait for a moment to for Gemini to create the image for me. Okay, now this is the image. Wow, it's not bad. It looks so beautiful. Okay, wow, it looks so real. Okay, so this is the image Gemini created for me. So the next thing is I will download the image. Okay, so I will download the image. Okay, yes, I will download the image. The image is very amazing. I really like it. Okay, so the next thing I have to do is I will go to Chat GPT again. Okay, I'll go to Chat GPT again. Okay, so I'll move on to Chat GPT. Okay, so I'll click on Chat GPT and then going to select. Okay, here, so all the information will pop out. Okay, so I'll come and ask for Chachi for prompt again. So give me prompt of the image. Okay, singing, and I will tell Chachi for it to give me the exact gospel the image will sing. Okay, so I'm realizing, okay, I will like the image to sing everything written about you is great. So I will type that one. So just gonna give me the prompt. Then I'm gonna create my video. Okay, so I type this for Chachi and Chachi gonna give me the prompt. So I will look through the prompt if everything is okay. So a realistic young female singer holding a microphone and singing emotional. Her lips expression full of passion and feeling. She gently moved her hands and body while singing, but it's left with the exact gospel I want my image to sing. Chachi didn't add it, so when I look through it, I will tell Chachi to add the song. Okay, so please add the song, and I type it again. So Chachi gonna type add the song to the prompt, okay, so that my image will sing the exact song that I want. Okay, so just gonna give me a different prompt. Okay, so please add the song everything right about you is great. Okay, so just gonna give me a different prompt. Okay, so now when I look through it, you see that Chachi has added the exact song I want my image to sing. Okay, so this is what, so everything is clear now. The next thing is I'll copy the tokens because for this one, everything is clear. If let's say young female singer holding microphone and singing a gospel song. Okay, so everything is clear. So I'll copy it. Okay, so I'll drag it and then copy my prompt from Chachi. And the next thing is we'll move on to Grok. Okay, for Grok it's totally free. Okay, so I will upload my image and then okay, my image is uploading. Okay, so the next thing is I'll paste my prompt that I copied from Chachi. Okay, so I'll copy, then I paste it. Okay, so my video is generating. Okay, so I wait for a moment for my video to generate. Okay, so I'm waiting for Grok. It's totally free. You're not going to pay anything. Okay, you can create any video as many as you want.
Everything
It's totally
written about
free.
you is great.
Now my video is
Everything
ready.
written
Okay.
about you is great.
Wow.
Everything written
Okay.
about you
So
is great.
wow,
Everything
wow.
written about you
It
is
sounds so
great.
well. Okay.
Everything.
So this is how to do it. It's very easy and simple for you today. Thank you for watching it, and then see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share. Okay. Bye.